In this video, you'll learn how to set up Emergent AI, an AI-powered app development platform that requires no coding skills. By following these steps, you'll be able to navigate the interface and utilize its features effectively. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Emergent AI homepage. You can do this by entering the URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard with various options available for app development. Next, look for the option labeled Full Stack App on the screen. Click this option to proceed. After you click, a new interface will appear showing additional app development choices. This is where you will choose the type of application you wish to create. After that, click on Mobile App to focus on mobile application development. This action will direct you to a section specifically tailored for mobile app features. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the layout as it offers unique functionalities for mobile app creation. Once you are in the mobile app section, click on Landing Page. This will lead you to tools that help you design the initial page users see when they access your app. It is essential to understand the importance of a well-designed landing page as it impacts user engagement. Next, look for the option to attach a file. Clicking this will allow you to upload any necessary files required for your app. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Ensure you have sufficient storage available if you are uploading multiple or large files. After you attach your file, click on Add from GitHub. This feature enables you to integrate existing projects from your GitHub account into your app. If prompted, sign into your GitHub account to allow access to your repositories. Once you've added your GitHub files, click on Close to exit the current window. This action will return you to the main interface where you can continue with the setup process. Next, click on AA to choose different AI options for your app. This selection will provide you with various AI models that can enhance your app's functionality. Take a moment to review the available options to find the one that best fits your needs. After selecting your AI model, click on Public to make your app accessible to users. This setting is crucial for sharing your app with the intended audience. Alternatively, if you prefer privacy, you can choose private instead. Next, click on Advanced Control to access more detailed settings for your app. This area allows you to customize various aspects and fine-tune the app's features according to your requirements. Following this, click on Select MCPs to use. This step involves choosing the specific microcontrollers or platforms that will run your app. Make sure to select options that align with your app's functionality. Next, click on Select Template to choose a design template for your app. Templates can significantly speed up the development process by providing a pre-structured layout. After selecting a template, click on Budget Credits. This will allow you to set a budget for your app development, ensuring you stay within your financial limits while utilizing the platform's resources. Next, click on Model to specify the type of AI you want to use. This step is important as different models offer varying capabilities that can enhance your app's performance. Once you have selected your AI model, click on Voice Recording. This feature enables voice integration in your app, enhancing user interaction. Be sure to review the recording settings before proceeding. Then click on Enter to finalize your selections and move forward in the setup process. At this point, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your choices have been saved. Next, navigate to the Home option by clicking on it. This will take you back to the main dashboard where you can see all your ongoing projects and their statuses. After reviewing your projects, click on Close to exit any open windows and maintain a clean workspace. Next, click on Moltbot to explore additional features and functionalities that can enhance your app. This area provides automated tools and resources to assist in development. Following that, click on My Counterpart to access collaborative tools that allow you to work with team members or partners on your app development. Next, click on Bill Generator to create billing statements for your app's usage and services. This feature is essential for tracking expenses and managing your budget effectively. After that, click on Word of the Day to introduce a feature that can engage users daily with new content. This can help in keeping the app interactive and fresh. Next, click on Recent Tasks to view all tasks and activities associated with your app. This section helps you stay organized and aware of ongoing developments. Finally, click on Showcase to view all previously built apps. This feature allows you to explore examples and gain inspiration for your app development. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.